get them well. Like my friend will always say, if you advise two people who don't see each other nakedness, use your sense. If you advise or you come inside two people where don't fall in love or where they in love, use your brain. Yes, at this point, like I said, I'm going to be very blunt. If it touch anybody, yes, I know I've been making videos and I've been trying my best not to be biased to talk how it be. But the comments I was receiving in this last video, what is wrong with you now? You for help and carry the bag throughout. What is wrong with you now? I didn't expect this from you. I want you to carry the bag. I don't really get where this is coming from. Everybody know if they run colo at the same time. No. For Christ's sake, my friend, I know he's going to say this video now. Lemon, you were with the ATM card now. You hold on. You seize the ATM card. You seize the phone. You seize the card that you bought for her. When you won't release them, I said no.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala be like bicycle. What did they really happen for this Lemon and the wife matter? Like the thing don't really pass. You know, when the thing really started, look at like joke something. But now, not be joke again though. The thing don't really serious, like seriously. The way they look this woman, his wife, no want the marriage again. Really. It's not they obvious. She look like who don't they see somebody else, or maybe ex-boyfriend don't they ginger am. My dear sister, I know say wetin Lemon do see dey bad small wey come dey insult your family. I know, but husband not too many for outside though. Hey, they're not too many oh. Now so you go dey look and say no, I go see another one. I say young, my dear. Not gonna go dey regret later. Not look at because una do court marriage, you can't will everything for you. You see, that woman take see God give for you. May you not still go see God give for your own like that, so you never born put self nothing. All your own now be say you do court marriage, my dear. Take am easy. Lemon, you will go release account for am. Una get problem, you freeze the account. Later you go release am for am. Make peace reign. You don't know say she don't get sense. She don't know say one day you still do the same thing. If una quarrel. Now she could go carry 3 point something million. Goes off with transfer am for another. Maybe she don't go put another account. Now she go put the money now. You don't know. You understand? What do you be expect, Lemon? What do you be expect? You be expect say this guy don't go carry money for his side. That's your friend talk for video when they do. I really love that video when your friend do. You understand? Marriage, you get the way person they talk put. Make the noise and talk to your own. You understand? So that make that your friend they care for what you go talk. Lemon and the wife not be smart picky. One of you work on their marriage. This thing not be ordinary hand. Una fit see work on them. Make the marriage work. But the way everything they go, they can't be like say Lemon be done the tire, but the girl say no. The girl say because any small thing go put her for camera. Lemon, if you say marry another woman, say you leave this one. Not be everything that they kind of call social media. Social media go help you spoil your marriage. Oh. Social media. They go help you spoil your marriage. I don't say that because of money where you they get for the videos. Because any small thing, Victor, oh yeah, cash out this place. Cash out. No. No, they bring everything out of social media. Not be everything that they bring come out of social media. You understand? There are some quarrel. You with your wife, not if you get small quarrel for yourself again. You just say, yeah, Victor, video, don't wanna mumu, you just start to the video. Must you video everything? Now what your wife saying the best for that be that one. So if you now want to make this marriage work, make una stop all those nonsense what they do. All those nonsense, make una stop them. Eh? Young people who just marry never even tell you, now don't they get kata like this? Eh? Pikin they never even went out. See quarrel everywhere. See quarrel. I don't say Lemon belong the woman, but Lemon, my dear, stop to the insult your wife family. Very bad. As me be so. I don't fit tolerate them. Me, my husband, they insult my family because with the quarrel. What happened to me, insult me. But my own family, I can't take that. I listen to what they get the verse for. I can't take that. You know they happen. You understand? So my people, when I make sure this video.
Good morning, guys. My name is Wise One. Honestly speaking, I'm not happy at all. I'm not in a good frame of mind. Yes, I'll talk as it be me. Lemon, my friend, posted what happened in our last meeting, and since then I've been receiving lots of comments blaming me like I was the cause of the marriage crisis at first. Everybody's just coming to my DM saying I should have allowed him throw her bag out, This girl has done lots of damages. This girl have done this girl have done that. I should have supported. I should have joined hands with the uncle, lift her bag, throw it downstairs, fling everything downstairs. Like, for real? In as much as, yes, I like my guy and I'm in support of his peace of mind, I'm in support of his good health, I'm in support of everything that will work out good for him. Now, who wear shoe know how they pain him. And if you explain to you, get how they want to tell you this, you fit no get them well. Like my friend will always say, if you advise two people who don't see each other nakedness, use your sense. If you advise or you come inside two people where don't fall in love or where they in love, use your brain. Yes, at this point, like I said, I'm going to be very blunt. If you touch anybody, yes, I know I've been making videos and I've been trying my best not to be biased to talk how it be. But the comments I was receiving in this last video, what is wrong with you now? You for help and carry the bag, throw out. What is wrong with you now? I didn't expect this from you. I want you to carry the bag. I don't really get where this is coming from. Everybody know if they run colo at the same time. No. For Christ's sake, my friend, I know he's going to see this video now. Lemon, you were with the ATM card now. You hold on. You seize the ATM card. You seize the phone. You seize the card that you bought for her. When you won't release them, I said no. Hold the things where you don't seize. Hold them. Hold them. When you release them, I was not even aware. Now for the meeting, they are here. Say, okay, you don't give them ATM. You don't give them car key back. Only phone you hold because of the password that you don't have. Giving her back the ATM, what were you expecting? Person will break TV, person will tear your passport, person 1 or 2 don't get issues. 1, 2, 3, they destroy 1 or 2 this. You carry the ATM, give her back. No be love be that. Were you expecting her not to take anything from it? I don't understand. It's just like you carrying sugar, rubber for person lip because you're making no liquor. In as much as that's her money, yes, that's the allowance you've been paying her when the both of you were still very fine. And giving her back the ATM is like giving her access to take it back. So you shouldn't be that shocked when you see that, yes, you withdrew money from it. If you don't give her, how on earth will she go and take it? If assuming the account was still frozen the way it was freezed, she would not have access to it. And I'll say this thing, please, I'm so sorry, I might sound rude. In as much as you got the news, you were shocked. You're trying to throw her things away. No, there are ways to do. There are many ways to kill a rat. Either you use rat poison, or you use rat trap, or you carry stone, or you use your slippers, snacker. The most important thing is kill rat. Your uncle was there seated. Several times I've noticed that if you want to settle this thing with your uncle there, they really work. Now go. Yes, we know. She has done lots of bad things. I'm not trying to side anybody here. But he who is without sin should cast the first stone. Why don't they do like this now? Many people will come here and write so many things. She's this, she's that. Deep down, I do pass. I do pass. Show me a marriage that is without issues. Everybody get fault. Both my friend get fault. Both the woman herself get fault. Both his uncle will come to consult this. He's supposed to, I was expecting more of an elderly. Come on now, in as much as the sister, if you all notice very well, the sister will blast the wife. That's Mary, wife to them. Blast her. He goes still turn back, face the husband. I know me might be. In English means don't be angry. Do this for her, do that for her, she will calm down. Trying to chip in one thing or the other that will make her calm, that will make it work. Okay, I was there, my friend started flinging the clothes out, flinging this, flinging that, flinging I want this, throwing bags out. The uncle that I was even thinking, I was okay, let's sit down, let us know, why did you remove the money? Why did you even give? Can you phrase the, look for a way to solve the solution. If they help carry back, they throw them out. Me bringing the bag back doesn't mean I want the marriage to continue. No. I'm not in a position to decide whether you go marry him or not. You are an adult. You have hairs in your armpits. There is hairs in your anus. There is a reason why that hair full there. You don't reason with your hands. You reason with your brain. If you don't want the marriage anymore, go to magistrate court. Go to any court. Dissolve this thing, this nightmare called marriage by yourself. How much will it take? If it's to share anything you want to share, you don't want to share it. ASAP now. Do a CFO. Turn away. Turn every property. You can hand it over to your mom, hand it over to anybody, hand it over to any charity, hand it over to anything till after the case that you come back. Till after the case that you go back and get your things back. They don't tell blind man say rain before. If you know they see, you know they hear what. Either house or either if If you're really tired of something that you don't want is itching you, get up, do the needful. I wouldn't tell you to don't marry your wife. Hey, come here. I don't tell you the day you decided to give her a ring. So the day you want to go, I will only give you my advice, tell you what and what I feel you should do. Then you use your tongue to count your teeth. Use it wisely. People should not come here and start telling me I should be the one that would. Anybody will tell me hate comment, I'm sorry, I'm going to reply you back in a more hateful manner. No verse. I've tried my best to be very calm and to no be I know be ajebo, I know normal. Don't come and start telling me I should have thrown out. Even as much as I don't. Even in the Bible, when the prostitute ran to Jesus, the people chase and reach there. They say, yes, master, she's a prostitute. What should we do to her? Jesus look all of them. Say, he who is without sin should cast the first stone. That means he, whenever do that kind of thing before, throw stone. Everybody drop stone, begin they go. I'm not here to preach the word of God to you. I'm not here to tell you that I'm in support of what she did. Yes, 3.7 million naira is freaking huge. Not even in this hard economy. Huge well. But you work a ATM card, give them back. What were you expecting? We all are all adults. There is no kids here. Deep down in your heart, you know that this lady, I wouldn't want to miss what is tired. She doesn't want it anymore. She's looking for every opportunity to get at you. And you went ahead and released the ATM card back to her, even if I know it's her account. But you are the one funding it with our allowance. You went ahead and released the car when you know the whole issue is just getting worse. What do you expect? What do you expect? She should not spend the money? Bro, you better take speed, hold that car key back. Take speed, hold that car key back. Because I don't tell you physically, no one here go talk online. Maybe people bear me witness, I don't talk. She has shown all the signs that yes, this marriage, even if I know, say, yes, love still get us be for her body. She has shown all the signs, say, she's tired, or probably somebody is igniting a fire somewhere. Chemically, there is no reaction without an action. Every stove where on person on matches. What are you telling me now? Something is igniting a fire. Something is telling her, do. You knew all these things. You went ahead and released the valuables that you have. You give her ATM card back. You know you guys are not settled. You know everything is not at peace. You expect her to hold the ATM, keep her ID card. She go to look for house. Freeze the shit. Hold the account. Freeze it the way it is. Hold your keys. Hold whatever it is that you hold till you guys resolve everything. If it's peace, fine. If it's not peace, you don't say yes, that one you hold 9 days your hand. You cannot give them now. She withdraw money now. You from the money where you pay allowance, you withdraw them. You're shouting, you want to throw. Even if you want to throw her out, for Christ's sake, go to court. Yes, I know I was the one saying I don't want you to go to court before. I don't want you to go to court before. With the comments I've read and the way things are now, you know you're tired. You're tired is not lifting bags, flinging clothes, flinging everything down. Go to court, dissolve the marriage, invite her over there, end everything once. If it's 50-50, I don't know, I'm not a lawyer. If it's 60-70, 70-30, I don't care. Let everything go. Come back home and live your peaceful life. She did wrong, 100% wrong. I'm not in support of her, never. Me asking you not to throw the bag out is not telling you to take her back as your wife. They are two different things. It's very simple. If you're tired, you don't want it anymore, nobody will even hear them. We bath, we go court, I go follow you for back. I know they fear anything. Which court you sign, I sign. If there's anywhere where I go sign witness, I go to sign front and back. Anything end. I really want you to have your peace. I want you to have your sanity back. If you really value your sanity, value your peace, of course, you should, by now you're supposed to don't know the kind of person where you marry. You're supposed to don't know how it be. As you withdraw the money and I don't touch you now, what next you should do if you know this thing pain, you go court, dissolve this on your own, serve paper. After all, you guys don't have any kids together. There's no child together. There's no evidence. There's no reason to even stay together in the long run. For all those of you saying that I should have allowed them, I should have joined, leave the bag, throw her out of the house. Hey, psychologically, I know what that lady is looking for. In as much as I'm taking the bag back doesn't mean I'm taking her like I want her to stay in the marriage. No, now me want making go pass if they ask anybody. But I can't tell a grown-up adult. I can't force him to go to court and sign and do the necessary procedures to take this woman out. After all, no day. No letting go decide, wake up in the morning. The earlier he thinks about that, the better. The earlier you carry your property, I know I talk online, anybody won't hear and make it hear that. Carry your property, begin to find person where you go write your name, give. If not your mama, anybody where you trust, write your name, give. Bebe Kanda came her. A word is enough for the wise. Fly only to hear what they follow dead body enter grave. What that lady was looking for at that very point, which I was taking the bag back now, one touch. And I know the way my guy temperament be. She know the way my guy temperament is. She's just looking for it. The same lady that removed the ring and dropped on the floor that she's not doing anymore. That's an abomination in an Igbo land. Making jest of the uncle, the abomination. Like, before you will go appeal such thing, before we go agree to the apology, you go reach east. Umwada go take your eyes, see something. By the time you buy this, buy that for cleansing, you remove your wedding ring, drop her for floor. Presence of the uncle. A man that is like a father. Show that yes, this person no want them at all. Hey, the handwriting is written on the wall. You know how your temperament be. Any small thing, I seen they do that. Danga. After all, she's the one that says she wants to leave. She's just waiting for one touch. Push them small. No be that day. When this whole saga started at the beginning, you guys were in the kitchen. I watched that video where you guys were in the kitchen cooking. Small touch, you don't drop full pot of spark down. She's just waiting for you to mistakenly pass, touch how you do one thing. She will start screaming. Before you know, domestic violence not enter. I was avoiding every of those things. Keep her back doesn't mean you are keeping her. No. We can walk to the court and fight for our own divorce immediately. Let everything that want to go, go.